Welcome to F Club Music Connect, where we redefine your listening experience. Please like and subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to get new videos updates.
Ayo Richard Makun, fondly called AY, is a comedian, movie producer, actor, writer, and entrepreneur. AY is one of the most creative comedians that has influenced the upcoming and the existing artists through his open mic challenge. Ayo Makun biography. Ayo Makun was born on the 19th of August 1971 in Warri, Delta State. AY hails from Ifon Ose local government, Ondo State, but preferred to be called a Warri boy. Ayo Makun has a bachelor's degree in theatre art from Delta State University, Abraka. While in school, AY was very active and had many nominations and awards, including Best Showbiz Promoter 2001 and Most Celebrated Theatre Art Student 2003. Ayo Makun married Mabel, CEO of Midas Interior, in 2008, and they are blessed with a beautiful daughter, Michela Makun. AY has 6 siblings, 2 boys and 4 girls. One of his brothers, Yomi Makun, known as Yomi Casual, is one of the A-list fashion designer in Nigeria. AY as a comedian. Ayo Makun has always been into showbiz since undergraduate days. AY launched and hosted shows like Miss Delsu, Miss Delta, and many more. Fate smiled on him in one of his shows when he met Alibaba Akporobrome, a well-known comedian and actor who later became his mentor. AY started out as a personal assistant and event manager to Alibaba. His work with Alibaba prepared him to understand what people want and helped groom him into a professional comedian. The entertainer started performing at Alibaba's fans club show at Victoria Garden City, VGC. Ayo Makun rose to fame after he performed at a comedy show hosted by Oprah Williams in 2006. Ever since then, he has risen to the top of his game and has become one of the most bankable comedians in Nigeria. The entertainer wrote AY Wire as a guest columnist in the Sun newspaper and Gbenga Adeyinka's Laugh Matters. He also presented the AY Live on the Morning Drive every Friday from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. on Rhythm 93.7 FM, Lagos. Platforms for AY Comedy. AY Live, the usually sold out comedy and music concerts, which holds annually on Easter Sunday. The much anticipated show started in 2010 and enjoys huge crowd both in Lagos and London. AY's Crib is a TV sitcom launched in 2013. AY stars in the comedy show alongside Alex Ekubo, Buchi Franklin, Justice Nwagbe, and Venita Akpofure. The AY show is a TV comedy show aired on many terrestrial television stations across Nigeria and Africa Magic. AY's Open Mic Challenge is a monthly comedy show for many upcoming and established acts in the industry. The show is held every third Sunday of the month at the Mark at Federal Palace Hotels and Casinos, Lagos. The stand-up comedian is the CEO of Corporate World Entertainment (CWE), an organization that focuses on organizing live events and providing content for radio and television. The company powers the annually sold-out AY Live, produces the AY Live VCDs, and the most watched TV show. AY's Open Mic Challenge and AY's Script are also products of CWE. Today, Corporate World Entertainment is one of the top-notch producers of comedy content in Nigeria. Ayo Makun as a movie producer. As a Warri boy, Ayamakun expanded his portfolio by venturing into movie production. His first movie as a producer was 30 Days in Atlanta. His movies are hilarious adventures. AY's 30 Days in Atlanta broke Nigeria's box office, recorded as the highest domestic grossing film in 2015, and was listed on Guinness Book of World Records. The film also starred leading actors as Richard Mofe-Damijo, Ramsey Noah, and Mercy Johnson. Other movies produced by AY: A Trip to Jamaica, 10 Days in Sun City, The Merry Men. Films AY starred being Mrs. Elliot, The Lodgers, The Wedding Party, American Driver, Mom at War. Other interests of Ayamakun: he owns a luxurious nightclub, MVP Lounge, in the Highbrow area of Lekki Phase 1. MVP Lounge in an exclusive clubhouse with bar, restaurant, game room, karaoke room, gold and diamond room with a lounge. It is located at the penthouse floor of Omission Emporium, situated at Lekki Phase 1. Ayamakun has worked with reputable brands and promoted shows for individuals and corporate organizations, including Unilever plc, Glo, etc. He is the brand ambassador of Western Lotto and Picnic recognition and awards. Comedian of the Year at Diamond Awards for Comedy 2008. Comedian of the Year at Teen Favourite 2008. Comedian of the Year at MBG Abuja Merit Awards 2008. Comedian of the Year at National Daily Awards 2008. Comedian of the Year at Arsenal Award for Excellence 2008. Comedian of the Year at Model Men of the Year Awards 2008. Best Comedian in Nigeria at City People Entertainment Awards 2009. Comedian of the Year at Nigeria Entertainment Awards 2010. Most Creative Entrepreneur of the Year at Creative Industry Awards 2013. TV Comedy Show of the Year at Creative Industry Awards 2013. Best Comedy Film at African Movie Academy Awards 2015. Best Supporting Actor at Nigeria Entertainment Awards 2017. Nollywood Personality of the Year at the Sun Awards 2017. Golden Movie Comedy at Golden Movie Awards 2017. AY is currently one of the richest and most influential comedians in Nigeria, with an estimated net worth of $7 million US. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, we would like to know your view, what you think of this video in the comment section. Thank you.